Microsoft's Phone Link app now lets you use iMessage from your PC. Ooh, interoperable. Green bubble, blue bubble, gray bubble. Add to the mix is what those bubbles look like, different shades of gray. Phone Link finally supports iOS devices and lets you send and receive messages and calls on a Windows device. This is incredibly convenient, Will.
Yeah.
I love cross-platform, huge cross-platform guy.
But not Android just yet.
Oh, well, we're getting there.
Yeah.
We're getting there one day. Like Tesla opens up the supercharged network. Apple opens up iMessage, right? Well,
that would be the dream.
They change to universal.
Coming soon.
Everybody on an equal playing field.
Thanks to EU.
Thanks. Yeah, the EU is just flexing on that, on all these topics. Microsoft is bringing access to iMessage on Windows through its Phone Link app. Preview of the updated app will be available for Windows insiders today. The Phone Link app allows iPhone users to connect their devices to Windows laptop or PC, and with the update, will let iPhone users send and receive messages via iMessage, make and receive calls, and see their phone's notifications inside Windows 11. So this closes the gap from an ecosystem perspective where Apple was like, no, you want that cohesiveness with iMessage, come get a MacBook. And now Microsoft is like, well, we can offer that too. Microsoft is using Bluetooth to link Windows devices to iPhones, passing commands and messages to users' messages or iMessage app. That means you'll be able to message contacts that also have iPhones straight from your PC. But there are some limits. Oh, Will. There are some limits. This is where it sucks for users. Yeah. Think about the users. You won't be able to send pictures in messages or participate in group messages, as you can see in the screenshot of the Phone Link app, which is down below. And it's basically like a type of translation which isn't as rich, which is unfortunate, which is why we need a universal standard in this regard and why it's kind of feeling like the repair conversation from previous. It's really the customer who suffers in this scenario because Apple corners the market and says, yeah, you can do this.
Yeah, you follow us, okay?
But you want to do the real deal. You want to, for security reasons.
Yeah.
You got to come over to our side.
We set the standards around here.
You want to send that rich content. You want to send those images and videos and not have it look like a garbled mess or possibly a potato.
Because that's your fault. We're Apple.
You better pony up a couple grand.
Yeah.
That's what we're looking for.
Made for iPhone.